What's up, gamers? It's summertime, and you know what that means. Time to kick back, relax, and watch the waves roll by. Man, I've got everything I need. Warm sun, cool breeze, and my mint condition Ninja Funko Pop. I'm ready to get this summer started. What? August already? Where does the time go?
Wow, this ninja guy sure is cool. What's he doing there? Chopping up a loot llama? What? Oh my god, this guy's hilarious.
Oh yeah. This is gonna bite me in the ass later when all you can hear is fan on the mic, but I don't care. I'm sweating like crazy. I'm cooking in here. I'm cooking alive. They're roasting me. They're roasting me like a turkey, guy. What's up? It's been a while. Been putting off making this video for a couple months now, and I chose to do it in the middle of a heat wave. So sorry if I'm a swale guy, but you're just gonna have to deal with it because it's really hot in my garage. And it sucks. I wish I didn't procrastinate. I should have done this way sooner. Look, I couldn't come up with a good idea all summer, and I never did. So today I'm gonna be doing the stupidest thing I could think of. Okay, so here's the plan. Spreading butter, it's too hard. You gotta reach over the table. You gotta grab the butter. You need a knife. It's just too much of a hassle. There's too many things going on. I can't remember all of that. But what if you could get a drone to do it for you? Now, this is where I come in because I did that. That's what this is about. Basically, someone's gotta be able to move the drone with their hand. Now, I don't wanna make this inconvenient, man. I can't have someone lugging around a gaming controller every time they wanna go spread butter. You know, those things cause violence. But how, you may be asking, how do we get hand to drone action? Well, I don't actually know. I just bought a VR hand tracking camera and I'm hoping it works. Yeah, but I can already see my hand. Why would I need a camera to do that? That's stupid. That's what you sound like. That's what you sound like right now. That's dumb. The camera tells me where my hand is. I can see my hand. I don't know where it is. That's just impossible to figure out without the camera. The camera produces a 3D coordinate of my hand. That little ball thing in the middle, that just tells me where my hand is in 3D space, which is important because that lets me make the drone go wherever the hand goes, if you couldn't tell already. Now, I'm not gonna show a lot of code because I know that it's boring and for nerds, but for anyone who thinks the funny little words are interesting, here's how it works. Okay, so we know where the hand is, but we don't actually know where the drone is. I don't have like a GPS thing set up on it, so you kind of just gotta eyeball it. Basically, you move your hand to the right, the drone's gonna accelerate that way, and you just gotta move it to the left so it doesn't hit a wall. It's pretty simple. Basically, the whole thing works off of these three main lines. It basically just tells the drone that if the hand is going to the right, then accelerate to the right, and if it's like going to the left or like any other direction, just accelerate.
Oh my god, look at this guy. What, we're talking about code? Oh my god, what a nerd. Oh, I hope I never have to hear him speak ever again. Why don't we just watch something more interesting? I don't know, like the drone flying wise guy?
Okay, note to self, don't take off on the table because it hits the ceiling. Probably should have figured that one out. I was gonna do a thing where it's like, oh, it just goes up and down, and then it goes up and down, and then it went too high up. So I'm just gonna explain it. Basically, I want to tape a knife to the drone so I can spread butter with it. This is really stupid.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Perfect!
All right, got some bread and butter. I don't know how well you can see it, but we're gonna try spreading the butter on the bread with the drone. It's gonna be cool, it's gonna be fun. There we go, okay, here we go. All right. No, what? Okay. Ah, fuck! Oh my god, this ow. I didn't anticipate that when the drone gets close to me, I get scared. So, I'm gonna try moving the butter farther away from me so the drone doesn't come towards me. Okay, we're moving the table. How's that look? Hey, okay, you can see the butter better. Look at that. Okay, here we go. This one's looking good. This one's, all right, I passed it a little. Okay, all right. No. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in this garage that this thing can fly into. I'm happy that it's working. I don't know how well the whole butter thing's gonna go. I will say though, it is scary to have a drone with a knife on it flying towards you. Okay, I've yet to even touch the plate, so that'll be my goal for this attempt. Actually, make contact with the butter. Oh, it's moving the plate with the air. Oh, I touched it. Oh, no. It hit the snowblower. So I've noticed an issue is that the drone kicks off a lot of wind and it's moving my paper plate. So I'm gonna tape this to the table and hopefully that helps. That looks like that's not going anywhere. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna put it over there. Oh my god, this is so hard. This is really fun to control, but it is so hard to get close to the plate. Oh my god. All right, looks like towards the end there, it kind of flew off camera. I don't know if you can see that, but it kind of shut down because it's low on battery. One issue with this drone I don't like is that it just drains the battery super quick. It's not a big battery, so sometimes it'll just fall, which is not ideal. Ooh, you know what? We moved the plate, but we raised the plate, right? So it's not hitting the table, it'll just hit the plate. All right, come on back. We got butter to slice. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Woo. Hey, get a little close to the camera. Get a little close. Oh my god, it's so close. Yeah, let's call this one so I think it probably could work. Maybe not now, or in a while, but it's got potential. Hey, you know, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. It's pretty cool, I think. Hey, you know what they say? Bread and butter. This is my bread and butter.